So over here we have the Bodor machine, which we rely on heavily. This is our laser cutting machine. So my name's Drew Vale. I work here at GE STARR. We specialise in metal fabrication, so we like to think of ourselves as a one-stop shop. So we'll take orders from customers, whether it be racking system or whether it be automotive. We'll work with them on their drawings, their specifications. Through the use of CAD drawings, we can draw out exactly what we want to do. We've never had an issue with it. In fact, on the day of installation, we found it to be a very, very stress-free situation. They made no fuss, they didn't disrupt anybody here, which was great. Worked really closely with us. For me, the most effective thing about the whole thing is their after-sale service. We've got a WhatsApp group, and we can just, if we've got any concerns, no matter how small or how minuscule they look, we can contact them and say, look, this has happened, that's gone down, we have service straight away. And that's been one of the biggest kind of positive feedback that I can possibly give World Machinery. I've had to use them in the past for other things. They've always been responsive, so I'm really happy with that. So yeah, we carry on with the fabrication of products here. We go all the way through from the cutting to the welding. We even form bend it, and we've now got our own little paint shop so we can do our own painting for products as well. But it's all thanks really to that machine, because it's just class, it's a class machine.
Bodor, dare to dream.